Today, you're going to be collecting data, and you're going to be analyzing that data to calculate your change in distance and your change of time and learning about the rate of change. For your car, when you're set up like this then, some of yours are going to be faster than others. Now watch, strawberry shortcake, for those of you who can see, didn't go straight, right? So when you go back then, and you look at your data, you'll realize that maybe the sensor didn't pick it up because my car wasn't going straight, right? So then you're going to go back to your graphing calculator and you can click retry, and then you can do it again so that you can get it to go straight. Now, some of you will have to adjust it a little bit and get it to go straight.
Okay. Alright, so we
Oh no!
Oh.